This is not something you want when you're in Knoxville, Tennessee. You gotta drive to North Carolina tomorrow. Pull in your camper. Luckily, it's on the truck and not the camper. So, got a tire patch kit. No, this isn't standard. This isn't what they would give you at a repair shop, but they used to. So if it used to work, it'll still work today. It's cheap. It's like $7 at Walmart for a whole kit. So I got the screw out. Now what we're doing is we're making the hole to fit those on. Stay tuned. All right, now that we got this in there, made that hole a little bit bigger, let's put it in. All right, got the plug in. Still on the truck. Couldn't done this any better. Now we jerk it out. And that's that. You could cut that off if you want to. I'm not gonna leave it like that. I don't hear any leaks. All right, now we're just I'm gonna get my portable air compressor, put air in the tire, and that'll get us home to North Carolina, and then I'm putting tires on the truck next week, hopefully, if they come in. But the truck's getting tires anyway, so there's no point in doing too much. So that's that. We're fixed for like $7. Easy, easy. Something I would recommend from Walmart. It's like $30. And it's little portable tire pump. Took $30. Works fine. Takes a while because it's very small. So it plugs into your cigarette lighter, and I can get to all 4 of my tires with this thing. It's great. So we're good as new. We're ready to head home tomorrow.